Dental practice real estate loans and a complete guide to financing your dental office. And why buying your dental office building may be one of your best investments yet. And for many dentists, purchasing a dental practice building will represent one of the smartest financial decisions they will ever make. Instead of paying rent to a landlord for decades, owning your commercial real estate allows every monthly payment to build equity while creating long-term wealth outside of your practice. So whether you're purchasing an existing dental office, building a new location, or expanding into multiple practices, or refinancing your current property, today's commercial lending market offers numerous financing solutions specifically designed for healthcare professionals. And with access to hundreds of lenders nationwide through the CommLoan Empower program, finding the right financing has never been easier. So why dentists should own their own real estate? And owning your building will provide you numerous advantages as compared to leasing the building. One, you're going to build equity. So rather than increasing your landlord's wealth, your monthly mortgage payment will build your own balance sheet. You have more predictable occupancy costs, and commercial mortgages often provide fixed rate payments, while lease rates will continue rising, and you face the risk of having to renew every time. So the tax advantages is another category, and property ownership may provide depreciation benefits, interest deductions, and other tax strategies. But first, consult your CPA to confirm. Greater control. So if you own the improvements and the signage, the renovations and the parking and the future expansion of your office building is all within your control. Additional investment income. And if you build extra office suites that could often be leased to, say, specialists or medical professionals or a complementary business, you're also making money on the side. Some types of dental practice real estate loans. Well, there's conventional commercial loans. And these are really ideal for established dental practices with strong financials already in place. And typical features include competitive fixed rates and up to 25-year amortization with long-term financing and lower monthly payments. But there's also SBA 7A loans. And these are excellent for purchasing or renovating owner-occupied dental office buildings. And the benefits there include up to 90% financing with a minimal down payment. You could add in working capital if needed. You can add in equipment financing to build out your office, and you can acquire a practice as well with that same loan. SBA 504 loans. These are perfect for purchasing or constructing larger dental facilities. And some advantages would include long-term fixed interest rates and up to 90% financing and lower down payment requirements. And these are excellent for owner users. There's also ground-up construction loans. And are you thinking about building a custom dental office? Well, construction financing can include the land acquisition and the construction costs and the equipment installation and tenant improvements and permanent financing conversions. There's also bridge loans, and these are really ideal for when timing matters. And these are perfect for making a fast acquisition or a value add opportunity. Just remember it's temporary financing, so you need to expand before obtaining your permanent financing. So what lenders look for, and commercial lenders evaluate several factors when financing dental practice properties, So we'll look at the practice and the financial performance and the revenue history and the profitability and the cash flow and the debt service coverage and personal credit. And most lenders prefer to see a 680 plus credit score with a strong payment history and reasonable leverage, and occupancy is our next category. So owner-occupied properties typically receive the most favorable financing. So what are some eligible dental properties? Well, commercial lenders will finance general dentistry and orthodontics and oral surgery and pediatric dentistry and endodontics and prosthodontics and periodontics, but also multi-tenant medical offices or mixed-use medical buildings. So your financing can include Many borrowers can be surprised at how much can be all financed together, and a lot of that list could be put together in one place. And the loan proceeds may include a building purchase or construction and equipment and tenant improvements, but also furniture and technology and parking improvements, as well as soft costs and your closing costs, or working capital if you use the SBA. So why work with Bill Rapp and CommLoan? And finding financing isn't simply about finding the lowest interest rate. It's about finding the lender whose underwriting guidelines best fit your transaction. And through the CommLoan Empower program, borrowers will gain access to hundreds of commercial lending options, from banks to credit unions to life insurance companies, to debt funds, to SBA lenders, to bridge lenders, to private capital sources. And we offer nationwide financing options. So instead of contacting one lender one at a time, your financing can be matched across a broad marketplace, helping identify competitive solutions that fit your project's goals. So, final thoughts for the day. Owning your dental office isn't just a business decision, it's a wealth building strategy. So whether you're purchasing your first office or expanding into multiple locations, or refinancing an existing property or building a brand new facility, the right financing structure can help position your practice for long-term success. Now, if you're considering buying or building a dental office, let's explore your financing options and create a customized lending strategy. Thank you for watching. I invite you to check out my website, billrapp.comloan.com, where you can start a pricing quote as well as schedule a consultation so we can have a conversation. I appreciate your time and have a good day.